Good day, everybody. My name is Agbogun John Oluwafemi, the HOD languages. My subject is Yoruba language. Today, I want to present the topic which says quality assurance and assessment of teaching and learning. Quality assurance. Quality assurance and assessment of teaching and learning. Quality assurance and assessment of teaching and learning. That's just the topic I want to discuss today. Now, first of all, I will divide this topic into two categories. The first category says quality assurance. Quality assurance. Who are the quality assurance in the first place? Quality assurance are the body that monitor the activities of education in Nigeria. They monitor, they look into the well-being and the smooth running of education. What are their functions? Number one, they are to see to the best quality of education functioning through preparation. That is, they have to see to the best quality of education in every aspect of things concerning education, starting from the teachers, that is the staff. Number one, if we look around the nation today in Nigeria, the least qualification for a teacher in any public school is NCE holder. That shows that they always look for the best quality. Then coming to provision of materials like seat, table for teachers, a desk for students, and not only that, the best building in schools. They work concerning all this and to make sure that all these are available in the school. They monitor and see to the smooth running of educational system. Not only this, we have them as in the school, they do comes to school for inspection, often and often, to make sure that what they are doing or what they are saying, that they are monitoring it, and then their effort, their work are being monitored and being achieved accordingly. Not only that, they make provision, as I've said around, for school. Part of their provision are this one, which is chalk I'm using. Part of their provision also is textbook. What of notebooks? And so on and so forth. They made all this provision for schools and education in general. Apart from this, they also see to the qualities of teachers. I've said earlier on that they look for the best quality of teachers. Take for example, as I'm here being a Yoruba teacher, even though the Yoruba teachers are very, very scarce in the days of today, but they make sure to see that they get at least 1 or 2 for each school in Nigeria. So they are really doing the work accordingly. Now let me quickly move to the second aspect because of time. Assessment of teaching and learning. What do you mean by saying assessment of teaching and learning? This body are to assess the system of teaching, method of teaching, and everything concerning the learning and teaching and the learning of the students and teachers. They monitor to make sure that concerning teaching, before a teacher can go to classroom, must have his or her lesson note written properly. And not only that, be endorsed by the HOD, that is head of his or her department. Apart from that, according and then alongside with the lesson plan, there must be teaching aids that they will go along with. They have to get themselves prepared. Before, if you want to give anything to somebody, it must be what you have that you can give out. Preparation is very, very important. They will get themselves, the teacher to prepare fully for the lesson to teach the student. Using the instructional material that I said, very, very important. Not only this, all their lesson plan and all the preparation must go alongside with the scheme of work. And this scheme of work is being derived from the curriculum. So all these have to go step by step. Lesson delivery must be appropriate, and the time schedule must be also be taken care of. What of the right way to teach this lesson? Very, very important, because today, if a teacher is teaching, must be ready to make the teaching a child-centered one, so that the student can be carried along. Then, before I round up, what are the objectives of quality assurance? Number 1, self-assessment by the teachers. Teachers have to assess themselves before they go into teaching. Before you that want to deliver, you too must get yourself prepared. Number 2, staff qualifications. For example, in Nigeria, Korea Model School here, the least qualification that you can see among us is NC. Therefore, even among us, we have doctorate degree, we have master degree. Teaching in secondary school, which you can never see in private school. Apart from all this, relating to, in order to relate this to my own subject, we can see that in my subject, which is Yoruba language, the teachers, any teacher that is going into Yoruba language must be a teacher that is ready to work accordingly, that is ready to discharge all his or her ability. As a Yoruba teacher, I have to prepare myself, because I know that I'm going to deliver to the student both with instructional materials, the method of teaching. I will have to know which type of method of teaching that the student will admire at that particular time, which I must make use of. In conclusion, we can see that the quality assurance as an assessment of teaching and learning had helped schools in this nation in a great way, to the extent that we can see the system moving ahead, moving forward every day. Things are changing, and students also are being carried along, and teachers are ready to discharge their duty accordingly and at the appropriate time. And as we continue like this, I believe that few years to come, people from other countries will be coming and to say, let us learn from Nigeria education as we are continue. And this is our expectation. Thank you very much.